ingredients.
What did we add?
We added, sometimes we added both, the wet stuff and the dry stuff.
Yeah.
So first we did the dry stuff. It was powder, and then we did the wet stuff, and it was eggs and oil and water.
And a little bit of water. Okay. Now we're going to make creamy chocolate brownies.
Today we're gonna cook onions, and my Mimi made this together. And it says, what is it? Cooking with Mimi and
Mimi and
Lucy.
And what's on the menu today?
We're gonna make brownies, and here's me. I mean Mimi and. Hi. This is a cooking show. It says Lucy and Mimi. It's a big heart and Mimi and me, because we're gonna cook a cake. We already did muffins and brownies, so now we're doing a cake mix.
What kind of cake are we doing?
We're doing a flat cake. I don't know if you ever had a flat cake. What if you?
Can you get a stick of butter?
Where's the butter?
It's right up there by the coffee creamer. All right, great. Gonna get all those ingredients, and what was all in there? We did water mix.
We did actually. Let me show you. These are the dry ingredients: water, butter, and eggs. Those see water, butter, eggs, and these are all of the wet ingredients.
Okay. All right. What number?
I would.
What are you mixing?
My mix.
What are you putting in there? Oh, you're eating it too? Why don't you mix the chocolate chips? It's delicious, huh? And what does the pizza guy do?
Pizza guy!
Pizza guy!
Pizza guy.
Oh yeah, give it a nice spin. Oh, don't eat it. No, don't eat it.